So, I am. Good morning to all of you, our viewers, our subscribers. Welcome to podcast radio and stuff. Igama lami nguNtokozo Chapha. Ngihlalele la endlini manje kuseni. I just woke up. Ngilalele one of my favorite breakfast shows. I love breakfast radio, so that's me. I just love breakfast radio. And I was going through a lineup released SAFM last night. And we did release it on our page as well as a podcast radio and stuff. And I'm seeing into edonsa amehla abantu abaningi that Eldrin Simpier is leaving SAFM. Well, lishonela izolo sengizwile ukuthi Eldrin Simpier is leaving SAFM. And today we are expecting Khozi FM to also announce their new lineup. We are looking forward to that. Izolo ngibonile ama video ebusuku. You know, I think they were having a photo shoot of their new lineup. We are looking forward to that as well. But you know, after ngifunda lineup ye SAFM and also ngibona ukuthi Eldrin Simpier is leaving and is being replaced by Ashraf Gada. Ashraf Gada uyabuya kwi SAFM. For those who love talk radio like myself, they would know ukuthi Ashraf Gada wasebenza isikhathi eside within SAFM. Kunento evele yabasemqondweni wami and I decided to speak it. Lento le yenziwe uKhozi FM. uKhozi FM ngangilalele ngaleli langa uprograms manager wakhona uPel Maseko Pinqose ememezela on air ilineup yakhona. And wamemezela ilineup and then kwathi mangabe kufika ku Sunday wayesememezela ukuthi uhlelo ezingasoze zabuna selizokwenziwa uLucky Nkosi. And abalaleli balolo hlelo including myself engumlaleli walo sizokhumbula isibili kade lenziwa uNkosinathi Mshengu, then emva kwaloko kwasekuthatha over uVukile Nongcebo McKenzie. So kwasekucaca ukuthi sishuthi uVukile Nongcebo McKenzie akasekho, and then uVukile was not featured in any show. And up until now asikakazi ukuthi uVukile uzokwenza luphi uhlelo. It means this Sunday she's going to be doing her last show, which is very difficult for any presenter, but it does happen. You know, nanomuntu okwishow njengamanje kumele azazi ukuthi lo fika usuku lokuthi enze their last show. So kuzoba kuyena ukuthi how do you bow out? Do you bow out in style or do you bow out in a nasty way? But now when it comes to uVukile, I think uKhozi FM kunento, this is umbono wami elingayenzanga kahle. Uyabona uEldrin Simpier njengoba ehamba kwi SAFM kuthe mangabe sekufikwa ngoba kade ngifunda istatement sonke sekufikwa kwipart ye BTH beyond the headline base bechaza ngokuhlala okuhle kaEldrin Simpier at SAFM, base bemfisela okuhle in his future endeavors, base besho ukuthi indawo yakhe sekuzongena uAshraf Gada. So it was like a little comment on Eldrin Simpier. But what we have seen with Ukhozi ukuthi they've not said anything on Nongcebo, whether she's still part of the station, behind the scenes, noma usehlukene nestation bamfisela okuhle. But I just think if she's no longer part of the radio station, indlela professional yokwenza ukuthi bamwishe well, ngisho kuthiwa kuhlukanwanga kahle. It's how professional companies and professional organizations would carry themselves. Bamwishe well, basho ukuthi sesihlalena iminyaka emingaka from i-breakfast show to this show to this show, wazofika kunethezeka noKhozi FM, njengamanje akasazoba engxenye ye-lineup yethu, simfisela okuhle uNongcebo McKenzie. Not the quietness ekhona, because yenza abalaleli belibele bezibuza ukuthi kwenzakalani. There's been a lot of talks with social media, kuma social media platforms, abantu bebuza ukuthi kwenzakalani ngoVukile Nongcebo McKenzie. So I think uKhozi lebe kumele lihandle ngokuthi libe open, play open cards nabalaleli. Do we still have uNongcebo in our team, maybe as a producer, maybe as a music compiler, or uNongcebo is no longer part of the game within Khozi FM? So I think they had to do that ukuze bezogcina abalaleli babo. You know, take your listeners into confidence. Now into engingayisho ukuthi asazi sonke ngesonto kuzokwenzakalani. Asazi noma uzoba khona ohlelweni lapho Nongcebo ukuzovalelisa noma kazoba khona. And this takes me back ukuthi mengabe zongena kulolu hlelo uNongcebo esuswa kuhlelo abelenza during the week ebekade ku 8 to 11 8 to 10 lolu lantambama eselenziwa uSiyamhlongo. I remember very well ukuthi kuphele about 2 or 3 weeks engangeni kuhlelo libele lenziwa uNkosinathi Mshengu. Ngoba lo lahlelo ngiyalilandela ngaze ngayibuza ukuthi hawu ngoba sekumenyezeli ukuthi uNkosinathi Mshengu ngeke asalenza lolu hlelo, why is uNongcebo not starting? I don't know ukuthi inayikhoza lokho noma kwakusana ezinye ingxoxo yini behind the scenes. But even in big corporate companies, we know of people asebeke ba resign kulawo ma companies, abanye sebeke ba release kulawo ma companies, then lawo ma companies are release ama statements athi we wish them well in their future endeavors. So kungani uKhozi FM this time around likhethe ukuthi lingakwenzi lokhu ngoNongcebo McKenzie? You are a lover of radio, I'm a lover of radio. What is your thoughts?